Hello everyone, and welcome to the Midjourney video tutorial. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us. Today we'll be going over how to create a Midjourney account and how to create AI art using Midjourney. Let's start with creating a Midjourney account. To get started, simply go to the Midjourney website and click Join the Beta. And sign up with your Discord account. Don't worry, watch our previous video to create your Discord account. From there, you'll be prompted to accept the invitation. Once accept the invitation, you will redirect to the Midjourney Discord server. Next, select a newbie's room anyone you want. Next, let's go over how to create AI art using Midjourney. First, enter Imagine. Now a text will appear on top of the search bar. Click that, and enter your prompt to describe your art, and press Enter. For the first time sign up on the Midjourney, you'll need to accept the toss. Midjourney is the perfect website to help you take control of your digital life. You can easily organize all of your digital content, from photos and videos to documents and bookmarks. Everything is kept safe and secure and can be accessed from any device. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, with a sleek design and intuitive navigation. You can keep track of all your digital activity in one place, and even set up reminders and notifications. Midjourney also features an array of tools to help you stay productive, from calendar integration and to-do lists to task management and reminders. For added convenience, Midjourney can be synced with your favorite apps and services, so you can access all of your digital content from one place. Once the artwork is completed, Midjourney will give you 4 variations of the art. You can upscale the artwork that you like by clicking the boxes on the first row and create a variation of the artwork by clicking the box on the second row. Once you upscale your artwork, click the web option under the image. Then you'll redirect to the Midjourney profile. Now you can see the picture you upscaled previously. Next, click the 3 dots under the image and click the Save button to download the image to your device. Next, how to create your own avatar using Midjourney. First, go to your private server on your Discord profile. Next, upload your image and send it to your private Discord server. Once you upload your image, please click the image and open that in a new tab. After you open the image on the new tab, copy the link address of the image. Next, type "imagine" and click the prompt that appears at the top of the search bar, and pass the image link you already copied and enter your prompt to describe the image you want or create. Midjourney will begin to generate artwork from your selected image. Once the avatar was created, you will upscale the avatar to which one you prefer and download that to your device. That's all there is to it. With Midjourney, you can create amazing AI art and share it with the world. Thanks for watching and happy creating.